Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Deja, and today we're going to be decorating for fall. Fall season is fully in the works right now. I'm in Georgia, so it's still very warm outside. We're still in the high 70s, low 80s, so it's not that cold. I've been accumulating a bunch of different fall decor over the last couple of years. Today we're going to go through it, and then we're going to see what we're missing. We're also going to Trader Joe's today. I've been seeing a lot of different TikToks on all the different fall snacks that they have, and so I thought it would be fun to try it and to take y'all with me to kind of make this a ultimate fall vlog, if you will. If you like content like this, definitely keep watching. I'm going to be doing a lot of fun and exciting things. Made it to Trader Joe's.
Wow, look at this pumpkin, y'all.
No.
It's as big as Deja's head.
Shut up. I'm not gonna say what she looks like.
I'm not gonna say what she looks. That's because she can't think of nothing. Now we're gonna pick another pumpkin for me.
You
pick
like
it good. Pick it real good.
Oop. Do that. This is the one for Jada.
Wow.
We're gonna paint them when we get home. Now we're off to go pick up a snack. So they have some harvest chili, guys, for the fall. And then I heard something about the white bean chicken chili soup. I don't know if it's good or not, but they do have that. And this really cool pumpkin butternut squash bisque. Guys, look. Did we do a chocolate cookie kit? Pumpkin cheesecake croissants, but I don't know.
And there's pumpkin waffles, and there's only one left, so people must really like them.
They also have just regular standard pumpkin cheesecake, and it's getting pretty gone, so people may like these as well. I found some ice cream. They have these pumpkin ginger ice creams, but yo, I hate ginger. They do have pumpkin spice cookies. I don't know how I feel about pumpkin spice though, so I think I'm gonna leave that here. Alright guys, our next stop, we're going to Target. Quick stop in the TJ Maxx to see if I can find any other Halloween spooky fall decor. I found exactly what I'm looking for. Yay! Guys, I definitely like this one a lot more. So we finally made it back home. Here's a haul of everything that we got.
We got pumpkins.
We got pumpkins. We actually got 3, but it's a surprise for our mom for her birthday tomorrow. Yeah, it's a little fugly, but it's okay. This one is cute. We got this one from Publix. We got these pumpkin spice teeny tiny pretzels from Trader Joe's. Next, we got this Halloween pasta. Actually, I guess I'll show you double at a time. So we actually got this Autumnal creamy pasta sauce. I got the Halloween pasta shells to go with the pasta sauce. It's made with pumpkin and butternut squash. So interesting pairing. I'm hoping it's good. If it's not, we're gonna season until it is. So this is part of the decor. I got this at Target, these LED lights. I'm gonna hang them up in my room, and I'll show y'all how I do that. Next, I got pumpkin paint. We got this so we could paint the pumpkins. We had markers, but the Sharpies just weren't really working, so I opted for pumpkin paint instead, and I'm hoping it's a better round this year than last time. We got this for the decor in my room. Not sure where I want to put it, either on my bed or my beanbag, but I thought it was super cute and very festive for the spooky vibe I'm going for. Next, we got this witch's brew from Trader Joe's. Jada actually wanted to get this. It's a sweet wine. It's at a 4 out of a 5. And it has it's red wine with spices added, so I'm excited to try it. I'm hoping it's good. We'll rate it for y'all. We'll rate everything for y'all and tell you out of 10 how we like it.
Next, to go with the orange pumpkin, we got a blanket.
Yay! So, like I said, I don't know if I'm going to put this or add it to my beanbag or to my bed, but it is a part of the spooky decor for y'all, so I'm excited to add it.
Isn't it cute together?
Ah, it's so cute! Next, we got these fall leaf tortilla chips. I finally got new bed sheets. Last time I was doing fall decor shopping, I actually couldn't find any seasonal sheets, so I found these fall ones, and I thought they were super cute, so I had to get them. Next, Next we got this Trader Joe's Haunted House chocolate cookie kit.
I got this super duper cute sweatshirt or pullover.
It's super cute, y'all, isn't it? Pose for the camera. Pose. Lastly, we got some gifts for my mom because her birthday is tomorrow. Let the quiet.
Go Libras.
And flowers to go with it. Tomorrow we're picking up her cake as well, so we'll take y'all along with us for that. Alright, y'all, but that's it for our haul. We're gonna try the pretzels.
I'm so excited. Everyone was saying it was good on TikTok, so we'll see.
They're small. I know they say teeny tiny, but I wasn't expecting.
Whoa, smell it.
Ooh, pumpkin spice is very strong. Are you ready? 3, 2, oh, this is yogurt flavor. They're good. So what will you rate them?
I give it 9 out of 10.
I was gonna say 8, 9 out of 10. Definitely would recommend, y'all. It's so good.
No, come on, man. Pretty big responsibility.
Taunts. Well, maybe it's because you don't know how to take a hint.
If they were planning on letting me go, I would want to go, man.
Today we're finally going to be putting up all of my fall decorations. Yesterday I did go out and get some more spooky since I don't really have any spooky decorations here. I ended up going to TJ Maxx and Target to see what I could find, and I did find a couple of things to add to the whole spooky vibe, so I'm going to be adding those in today along with the rest of my fall decor. I'm also going to be picking up my mom's cake today since it's her birthday. So I'm excited about that. I'm going to take you guys with me. Now, if you're new here, my name is Deja. Welcome. If you're not subscribed to my channel already and you're into all the things fall, all fall related content, definitely subscribe. I hope you all enjoy the rest of the vlog and the many more that is to come. Let's get decorating. The goodies have been secured. So I decided to do a really quick stop at Dollar Tree just to see what they have, to see if I could find any last minute things. I just left Dollar Tree and honestly I found like there was a lot of good stuff, but a lot of stuff I didn't really need. So I found like 2 or 3 things and then I got my mom a card. But I'll show y'all more when I get home and set everything up. So guys, I'm going to show you the current state of my room. Don't judge. We're decluttering, we're moving stuff in and out, so this is the current state. I want to make sure I give you a before we dazzle it all up. So over here I have all of my content stuff, and then randoms, laundry basket, all of my tripods and lights, mic. This is the whole film setup with random stuff on it. And then here's my bed. Here's my bean bag. It has a bunch of pillows on it and random stuff again. Honestly, like, this part isn't bad. I've made my bed is good. This I need to declutter and I need to kind of fix that whole situation up, right? This, on the other hand, this is a cluster.
I have no idea what's going on over here.
And I need to declutter it all. And then up under, I have a bunch of new clothes that I need to sort through and go through and put away. So it's like literally a box that's piled up of all new stuff that I need to go through and sift through. So I gotta do all that. And then here on my chair, it's just blankets and sheets that I need to put away. I just finished washing. And then my nightstand over here, this is the current state. There's really not much going on over here. plain and simple. And then this is the big bin of things that I've accumulated that I'm going to add for the fall decor. And then over here we have some of the new stuff. And now we're going to time lapse me cleaning it all up. Now it's time to tackle the beast. Now this is the scary part. This is a jump scare. Now we have to tackle this bad boy.
Finally made it to the bottom.
All done, y'all. This is the aftermath of all the new clothes. It's officially clean. I can finally push my desk, my chair all the way under my desk. To show you quickly the setup that I did for my mom to celebrate her birthday. I actually set it up in my room just to be away from everything. So here's how it looks from the big angle. We have all the fall pillows surrounding the blanket. And then we got her some flowers and a card that she's going to read later. And then 3 pumpkins for me, my brother, and my mom to decorate. And then this is the pumpkin paint that I showed you guys that I bought. I can't find paintbrushes, so luckily I found these paint sticks, so I'm hoping these will do the trick. And then a popcorn that I'm going to pop once I'm ready for her to come in. And then over here I have the big 4-3, yay! This is adorable! How cute! Oh, it's so cute! I think we did good. All right, Mom, show your pumpkin. Okay, give it a twirl. Cute, cute. Okay, MJ, show your pumpkin. Okay, give it a twirl. Okay, cute. Now mine. Mom, can you twirl it for me?
I think she's been a copycatter.
Copycat. No, but look, turn it to the other side. I have a spider, a pionk, and then I have some candy corn that you can barely see, but the candy corn is there.
I can make it pop a little bit more.
Oh, okay. Guys, Mom made it look better, so it looks more like candy corn now, or kind of like lipstick. Okay, everyone, rate all the pumpkins on which one is your favorite, and then put it in the comments below. All right, Mommy, so what do you think of your little birthday setup?
I love it. Oh, thank you so much for this surprise.
I'm glad you like it. She loved the surprise, so I think I'd call that a success. We got some Indian food, and now we're about to watch Reba, one of my favorite fall shows. So underrated. So I got chicken tikka masala and then garlic naan. And it came with white rice, thank God. I was so worried it wouldn't.